The app that we will use quite often is called Classkick. Now I'm going to click on the link, but as I said, you can type the link in or you can scan the QR code. The class code is a unique code for each assignment that I give. Any class code will take you to your account. However, it is important that you do not type your name here and click go. What you actually need to do is go to the login button. You'll enter your username, which in most cases is your child's first and last name, and their password, again, just their first name, and click login. Now this brings you to the actual assignment that you have been given. However, if you click home, it will take you to all of the assignments that your student has been given. So all of these are assignments that are available, and they can be redone over and over, and often in kindergarten, redoing things is good practice. Okay, I'm going to go back into the assignment that we got here with, and I want to teach you a little bit about Classkick. It is very easy, and once you have done a few assignments with your child, they will be able to do things mostly independently. Anytime you see a box with the video thing, that is a video link. All you have to do is hit play, and it will play right within the program. Be sure to play every link and explore every link on the pages, because in virtual learning we will be relying on videos and making sure that students are watching the videos for our teaching. Alright, so on this page all the activity was to watch the videos. Hit the over arrow to move on to the next shape. Now this is my Bitmoji and a speech bubble, and this is just a little reminder that I'll use for the first week or so. Anytime you see this sort of box, this is Miss Ramey or whatever teacher you're doing giving instructions. You'll be sure to hit play and listen to that.
Connect the dots with the pencil tool. This will make a triangle. Then make some triangles of your own.
Alright, so make sure you play it, and of course you can play it as many times as you like. Now what you'll see over here is another link, how to draw a triangle. So if your student isn't quite sure how to draw a triangle, then this is a short video that will teach them that. And then you'll have to close that tab to go back to the assignment. Now, in order to do this assignment, you are going to need to use some of the tools up here. And your child will, when they want to move things around on the screen, they'll use the cursor. This is the pencil tool. Once you choose it, you can go over and pick whatever color you'd like. You can also make it skinnier or wider, so you can make your different choices. This is a highlighter tool. Again, you may choose your color and the width. If your child makes a mark and they don't want it to be there, they can use the eraser. And you see when we use these, we do it simply by clicking and dragging. If your child wants to type, then they just click there and drag it. And if they don't like it, of course, they can take it away. They can use, and you can see there's tutorials that pop up and kind of show you, but there's a line tool, and again, just like every other thing, you can change the colors and the width, and if you don't like it, you can throw it away. The link, they probably won't be using all that often, but if they want to share a video that they found with me or a video that they've made, they can add a link and put it in right here. You just type your title and your link. They can use the camera to take pictures of themselves. There I am. No makeup, no hair fixing. And the microphone tool will be an especially important tool, so I do want to demonstrate that. They click on the microphone when they click start recording. Hello, this is how you use the microphone. They stop when they're done, and then they can listen to themselves. Hello, this is how you use the microphone. We will sometimes use the microphone tool so that I can hear your child reading. They can leave messages for me on these pages. I can respond to those messages. So the microphone tool will be very important. The tools that I think you'll use most often are the cursor, so that you can move things around, the pencil, so that you can write, the highlighter, so you can highlight things, the eraser. You may sometimes use the text box, and the microphone. Okay, let's revisit these instructions.
Connect the dots with the pencil tool. This will make a triangle. Then make some triangles of your own.
Unless I specify in directions, color does not matter, so they can pick. They will have to hold down the left mouse button and drag in order to make lines. If you're using an iPad, you could probably use a stylus. And then it says to draw some of your own. And they can change colors as often as they like. Now, if your child gets hung up on colors, you may not want to let them know that. You may just pick a color. Then you'll advance to the next. Again, the instructions and the how-to video. The instructions, the how-to video. The instructions and the how-to video. And that's the end of this assignment. Now it saves updates automatically, so you won't need to do that. So when you are done, you'll simply click the home button and it will have saved your work, and then I'll have access to log in and check it out. Thanks for watching. If you have questions, be sure to message.